Young Enterprises fully delivered day programs bring real-world learning to life for secondary students through hands-on activities, all led by our trained, safeguarded staff.
We're here today at Hetman White Grammar School delivering the Launchpad programme for young people. They will choose one of 12 mock businesses for sale, and then they will actually develop that business and run it throughout the day. They'll look at the marketing side of it, the events, the planning, and then what they'll do is they'll present to the full year group, and so they're developing those public speaking skills, those communication skills.
I'm really enjoying this. I think it's a nice break from lessons.
I've definitely gained some teamwork skills.
I've learnt about several employability skills.
I think one thing that we've learnt today that's going to be really important is public speaking.
I'm liking the future aspect of it, how I could have my own business in the future like this.
It's very important that students can see the opportunities available for them and be engaged in the employment marketplace.
Real professionals who mentor, challenge and inspire students with their workplace experience.
Gives me the chance to be able to share my experiences and equip and empower young people as well, to take control of their own future.
Today we did a Learn to Earn program with YE.
Learn to Earn's teaching us about budgets, how much living costs, what jobs are good and what talent you need to have.
It's not very often where you get to learn about these life skills.
We're very much guided by you don't know what you don't know and you can't be what you can't see. So that informs our programmes about providing those young people the chance to meet individuals from the world of work and to start to shape their vision of the future, what success would be.
Learn to Earn has helped me think about my path and what I want to do in the future.
I'm really happy that Young Enterprise has given us the opportunity. I'm really enjoying it. Hope to do a lot more workshops like this in the future.
The Learn to Earn session has been really valuable. It's helped us achieve our Gatsby benchmarks and really helped to boost our students' engagement within the careers.
Our day programs can be delivered in a classroom or in bigger groups in the school hall and come with high quality resources, giving teachers complete confidence. Students leave with practical skills, greater confidence and a clearer understanding of life beyond the classroom.
Thank you, Young Enterprise, for giving us this opportunity today.
You can find out more about Young Enterprises programs and services by going on our website.